The question for this presentation is, can the employees be paid benefits in kind in a Singapore company? How these benefits in kind are treated in the hands of the employee? Are these tax exempt or taxable in the hands of employee? So let's have a look on these questions, and first thing to understand what is the benefit in kind. So all the employees are normally paid salaries in your company. So you pay salary, and where the employee is a Singapore citizen or a permanent resident, you will also make CPF contributions. But in addition to that, you tend to provide many benefits in kind to your employees. For example, you might conduct some seminar, and you may pay for that fees for that seminar for your employees. Or there might be a function in your company where you provide some kind of souvenir to each of the employee. Maybe you give them some gifts at the time of festive occasions, and the value of these gifts might be small, but still it is a benefit in kind. So this way there are many benefits in kind, and general examples are professional membership, festival gifts, subsidized canteen facilities, uniforms, meal allowances, and so on. So the basic principle when it comes to the taxability of these benefits in the hands of employee comes, that means whether employee is supposed to pay taxes on this or not in his personal tax return. The rule followed is it is generally exempted if Income Tax Act does not specifically makes it taxable in the hands of employees. So I'm coming to that slide on the next section. So there are some expenses which are specifically taxable. If the expense is not included in that list, and if it is provided, if this benefit is provided to all the employees in your company, and if the value is reasonable, then these expenses are generally exempt. So what I'm going to do, because this list is very big, I'm going to show you the place on IRS website where you can see the list. Okay, so this is on IRS website under Home Businesses, Employers and Tax Treatment of Employee Remuneration. And as you can see, there are many benefits over here, like corporate gifts, mugs and t-shirt, fees or subsidized, free or subsidized food and drinks, corporate passes to places of interest in Singapore. And generally, you will see a comment that this benefit must be made available to all the staff. Here also there is the employer and the benefits are available to all the staff. The benefit should be available to all the staff. So you can go through this list. I don't want to cover everything here. Now coming back to the presentation, then which benefits are specifically taxable? So the Income Tax Act in Singapore also specifies certain types of benefits which are to be taxed in the hands of the employees, and these are as follows. Housing allowance. So if the company pays rent for any employee, that is taxable in the hands of the employee. Car allowance, that is providing a car to the employee. Annual air passage, which is for personal and family use. So this does not cover the business travel expenditure, but if you provide any employee annual return airfare to his home country, then that is taxable. Loan waivers of any kind. Director's fees paid to the employee. Any extra CPF contribution that you may put in the employee's account. Any lump sum payments which are specific to the employee. Overseas holiday trip. Employee stock option plans. And tax paid by the company on behalf of the employee. So these are the general examples of benefits which a company may provide to an employee and are taxable in their hands. So in summary, list of possible benefits of kind those are provided in Singapore can be very long. You can refer to Income Tax IRS website for this. So the benefits in kind are very much possible in Singapore, and there is a detailed description about which benefits are taxable and which benefits are tax exempt on IRS website. Generally, the benefits specifically for that employee are taxed in the hands of the employee, whereas those which are general for every employee and reasonable in value are exempted.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.